Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm with my boyfriend Darian and we're going to be doing a couple skincare routine for you guys. We do have one video previously like this. I will leave it linked down below. So I have like a whole routine written out in my notes. It's 15 steps for an at-home spa day. Last time we did this video, it was... Why you look so confused?
Because the light.
The last time we did this was in the bathroom, so I'm currently in my room, as you guys can obviously see. So it's going to be a little bit different of a setup, but we're going to be basically doing the same steps from that video in order. So I'm going to have you pick a headband first. Black would probably match, yeah. I'm going to do white. You guys, I got a 4-pack of these spa headbands on Amazon, and this video this video is not sponsored or anything, but I just really want to put you guys on. I will link it down below. They are amazing. First step is to remove makeup. I'm using the Micellar Water by Garnier, and you can just skip this step. I don't know if you want to use the Hydro Boost wipes that I have for like a kind of like to like clean your face. These. I haven't Darian. I haven't really sat down and done like in-depth skincare in a while, let alone with Darian. And I just haven't done a video in general with him. Step number 2 is to clean and wash the face. I'm gonna as well use these Hydro Boost wipes. I really like these. I got these from Marshall's. I love Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I have dry skin. What type of skin do you have?
I think I used to have oily, now I don't.
You don't? I don't really know either what you have. I know you have really sensitive skin, you guys. His skin, like if you touch it with like a certain product, it'll turn red, it'll like break out. Like you have to be so careful with the products that you use. Step number 3 is to steam the face.
I already warmed it up.
Yeah, he filled it with water for me and it's so nice, you guys. Like I love this thing. You can get them really anywhere off Amazon. I got mine from Burlington. It definitely steps up your at-home spa day.
Feels like I'm in the oven. I'm good now.
You're good. It hasn't even been a minute.
5 minutes? Is it for the pores?
Well, that's actually a myth. It's actually a myth that steam opens your pores. That's what I always thought of. I mean, this is kind of just like an unnecessary step. Like, it doesn't really do anything. It's just to feel bougie and extra, I guess. Oh. But I have it written down to do this for like 5 to 7 minutes, so. The
next step's my favorite.
Is refreshing?
No. So our next step is going to be extractions and vacuum.
Yeah, I have vacuum is this pore vacuum here. Again, I really like this. I'm gonna do this to you because...
Oh yeah, I like this one. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Oh my god. I've never... Darian, look. I've never actually seen like a lot come out with this. That was disgusting. Darian.
Well, I work with the mask on.
I'm switching attachments for...
I'll do you now.
I moved around my makeup collection since the last time I filmed an updated makeup collection for you guys, and I feel like I could just never keep up with it, you guys. Like, I literally change my stuff so often that by the time I film the video, it's already changed by the time the video goes up, so... All my skincare is on the right of me now and not on the left of me. I basically just switched, like all the drawers are the same. I just kind of switched them because I sit on the right more and I use like skincare a lot more than I do makeup. So that's why I switched it. So it's skincare and hair care and then makeup and just like extra stuff over on the left. The next step is shave, and I actually just recently started doing this and added it to my routine. So I use aloe vera for this. I saw this like all over TikTok where you like put aloe vera gel on and then you use like facial razors to like shave like the peach fuzz off. Apparently it's a myth that like when you shave your hair grows back thicker or darker. So I tried it for the first time and I was really nervous, but like it really is a myth and it didn't grow back like thicker or whatever. It reduces like acne scarring if you have that because it like resurfaces the skin and it removes dead skin and all that. There's like a bunch of just like benefits that I don't even know about. So I'm gonna change out the thing. I have this like basically like tray of interchangeable ones and you literally just swipe it on and swap it out. I have like this one dot that literally came up like a couple days ago. I've never had a problem with scarring or anything, And I always usually pop mine and they never come back. It makes them go away really quick. So you're supposed to shave in the direction of the hair growth, which is weird because any other time you shave away from, like in the opposite direction. I have another like flawless facial razor, and it's not like the stick one, it's like an electric. And I use this for like my upper lip. So do you want me to do that to you? Like I won't do here, you could do that by yourself, but like just right here.
Get out of here.
I didn't even
You were down here.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't.
Put it on.
That looks so much better.
You're trying to be slick.
No, I'm not. The next step is exfoliating and toning. I have one toner. It's down here. It's the L'Oreal Hydro Fresh toner, and I actually don't know how well this works for me anymore. I used to stand by it, but like I don't know if it's just because I haven't been using it like as regularly, or like if it just doesn't work anymore. But comment down below like good toners for like even skin. Like I feel like I'm like pretty good with like spots and blemishes, but I really want to just like even out the tone of my face. Like I have like freckles and like I feel like discoloration, eye bags and stuff that I want to get rid of. So like please comment down below if you know what would help that. And I have dry skin as well. Next is serums. So I have them in the fridge or above the fridge. Also another new thing since I moved around my makeup collection, I put the mini fridge that used to just be sitting on the floor on my bureau, so it actually has a place now and it's in use, not just like sitting on the floor. I'm using the Daily Resurfacing Serum, and this one is a strawberry seed oil. These serums, like any ones from like the TJ Maxx or Marshalls, like this brand just works great for my skin. I love putting this under lotion, like that's like basically my daily routine in the morning. I just put on a serum, wait for it to dry, and then I put on my Cetaphil lotion, and my skin is glowing for the rest of the day. And that's like literally all I do besides like washing my face in the shower. But it's only a couple times a month that I do like this deep skincare routine. I moved all of my tools to the fridge, like my jade roller. He bought me a new one, a white one. It's white and rose gold. It's so cute. And it came with like the gua sha massager, which I broke. Thank you. Oh my god, you guys, I love this look.
Ooh.
It feels good because these are in the refrigerator, so they're cold. Like use the grooves to like sculpt like your structure. It's still raining right now. It's been raining literally all
Yeah, but
day.
it's good that it's drizzle, not like.
It's drizzle. I mean, it's better compared to the freaking 4 feet of snow that we got, but I mean. Okay, masks. This is my favorite part. You're gonna probably need your headband or want it for this, because it'll get your hair wet. We're gonna both be using the Rose Hydro Gel Mask by Pink. I love these masks. They're my absolute favorite. They just feel so soothing and nice. That was so relaxing.
Yes.
Oh my god, like literally look how glowy our skin is. That is like crucial in the routine. My favorite part. We usually do skincare together at night, and it's like the middle of the day right now. But we're just gonna like kind of chill and lay down, watch a movie for the rest of the night. It's raining out, so next step is to moisturize. I have my Cetaphil lotion in this like bougie soap dispenser. I have like a couple extra steps that are meant for like a really bougie day, when like you want to dedicate a whole day like to like skincare and like detoxing and all that. And it's like a steam towel, a hair massage, like facial massage, like all of that. But that's not really for today, so we're just gonna end off our skincare with setting and spraying. This one's for hydration, this one's for balancing.
So I used the blue one.
The blue one?
Yeah.
It's the hydrating
facial mask.
And I used the balancing one. Super nice to end off a relaxing facial session. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what one of your holy grail products is in your skincare routine. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.